We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button, tell me I know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and I stated in yesterday's video some key points that we're going to break down in today's video. We're also going to look at the data together, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Both opportunities turned out to be a home run. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with Prog, the charts, and the data. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. They both performed 20% plus. Let's go ahead and look at them here in the charts. So CELZ, we caught this one in the pre-market, sitting sideways, slightly dipped towards the bell, went into extreme weakness, got that bull indicator and full strength, giving a highest point of 30% plus, guys. And our other home run was IMMX. Caught this one in the pre-market as it was going with strength. It also was under a bull indicator and towards the bell just continued with strength and took off to a highest point of 70% plus from when we mentioned it in the fives in the pre-market. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below. We strive for opportunities like these every single day over at the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with these charts. So here we are with Prog, and we could see the continuation of strength here from way down here at the extreme weakness and pushing upwards. And if we pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, you could see as well that it negated this bear indicator and it got a bull indicator. That's what I was watching for. I talked about it in yesterday's video, and I also talked about key points to watch. And by the way, you can now gain access to the 42 Vision indicator as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, and by joining, you'll gain access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium 42 Vision indicators to go ahead and navigate through the volatility of the markets with clarity and with confidence to pick up those gains and profits you deserve, guys. That's the whole purpose. That's the whole goal, to be able to have that edge over the markets and not be guessing and have everything clearly in front of you, right? To be able to maximize on opportunities. So Prog is here pushing upwards, pulled down, and I stated in yesterday's video that this could be the setup for the next bull run, right? And so far, it's holding true. And I stated this needs to stay above $2. If not, it will go into further weakness. But if the bulls can bounce off of the $2 range, it could go up higher. It's like the bulls are listening to my videos, or I just saw it in the charts, right? One or the other. Either there's bulls watching my video. If you're a bull, comment down below. Or I was pretty much paying close attention to what's going on in the charts and what 42 Vision has been showing, right? So we stated that $2 has been a pivotal number for consecutive videos now, not just yesterday's video, but even before, as it was pulling down from the 270s and it was in the 230s and it was fighting. $2 is an important support level, and we are seeing that type of strength here form from this bull indicator to this next one here, and this bear indicator has been negated. Now, I also stated when we looked at the 4-hour, right, how there was still some strength and we wanted to see this actually reverse, get out of this red and turn back into green. And we're seeing it again. And that's exactly what we were looking for, that we wanted this to get negated, that bear indicator, this red candle, and we wanted it to turn into green. And we're seeing that strength again. And it's in a very different position, this bull indicator, than the last one. And as long as we didn't see a bear indicator pop up, this is in that process of that upward momentum and strength, creating those staircases effects to reach newer highs and new resistance levels, right? So if this could break towards today's high, right, based off the chart. That's a good step. 230, break above it, find a support. But truly, we want to see this break towards 239, 240, and break up here towards the 270s. These are some important numbers right now. So let's look at the data together and see what the shorts have been doing. And we're coming back here to the chart as well to see how things are looking on the 1 day and if a bull indicator has popped up on the 1 day as well. So when we pull up here the data, right, the information on the days to cover, the short interest, and also the dark short volume ratio per day, it has been going upwards per day. But today, the numbers have probably gone down. This was on the 31st. Today's numbers have probably gone down a bit. And there's a reason being because the borrow fee rate has been going down. And that's why some of these shorts might try to reshort due to the fact that there's a low days to cover. Short interest has gone down a little bit from the 18% back to 16, back to 17. Now it's at 14. And we have short shares availability going up by the 100,000s, right? Before this was at 0, a couple 100,000. This went up to 1.2 million as of yesterday. And today it is up 500,000 more. So when you put all this data together, okay, it shows it in the charts. And if this number goes down by tomorrow, it will prove that there has been some covering here, but what's going to make it tougher to go out higher is the days to cover being so low, guys. This is what's giving that flexibility. I keep talking about it in every single video, and that's what allows these quick movements to happen, right? Things move up, and all of a sudden just fall, and it looks like it's about to get destroyed. That's because the shorts that have been covering on the way up are reshorting back down because the days to cover is pretty low. But the one thing that traps these shorts that started shorting up here and the shorts that have not covered all the way up here is the bulls not getting shaken out, pushing it right back up and forcing the shorts to eventually cover and even trap newer shorts that have not covered yet. Like there's shorts all the way up here. And if this stock continues that staircase effect and keeps pushing up higher, there's going to be shorts in this area, that are going to have to cover, and it's going to push this up even higher, guys. That is super important to be aware of, how much pressure the shorts are having, but also how much flexibility they have to stop it from giving them that pressure up here. And there's a reason for that. It has to do with the days to cover being pretty low. We have seen short interest go down. We are seeing proof of short shares going from 0 available to millions, right? 1.7 million. And we're seeing that it's not really making a huge impact on the stock. That's because the same shorts that are covering, they're taking advantage of this borrow fee rate, and they're taking advantage of the days to cover, and they're having the flexibility to push it up, push it right back down, and then kind of negate it from going all the way up here, right? I was about to draw an arrow way up there, excuse me. All the way up here to the 3s and 4s because of the fact that they're reshorting as they cover. That is creating a lot of confusion to a lot of investors. And one thing I could tell you guys is the lower this goes through this tactic, this is happening behind the scenes, the less of a squeeze possibility there is to the upside like we saw earlier in the year, okay? I do want to put that out there. I do want the frogs, the progs, the bulls, whatever it is that you consider yourself to be aware of this, that if the short interest keeps going lower and we keep going back and forth here and the shorts take advantage of the days to cover, the borrow fee rate, the short squeeze is in a position of becoming a lot weaker because there isn't a lot of shorts. Like before there was 20%, there was over 20%. There was 18%. It's 14% now. So from 18 to 14, that's about 4% have covered. And within that covering, with the flexibility of being able to reshort, we're kind of stagnant. Like this has only moved from 180 all the way up to 230. You do the math, that's about 50 cents. Okay. That's only about a 30% move to the upside. Short squeezes go up substantially, sometimes 100%, 200% in a matter of days. So it is something to be aware of. I did want to put that out there, but we will be watching this carefully. And also, I stated we were going to look at the 1 day. If a bull indicator has popped up, we have no bull indicator, okay? And these candles, they need to keep on going up stronger. If they kind of just sit sideways like that and they don't compound above each other like we've seen before here in the chart, this is a very weak move and it could fade away very quickly if the shorts put the pressure on the bulls. So far, this is great strength here, staying above $2, but we need to see this move even more substantial. And we also need to pay close attention to how the shorts are taking advantage of this flexibility with the days to cover and the short interest and reshorting as they cover as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos. And as you can see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength. And also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.